Hello, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the Gearshift lever on a Nissan Leaf. This is an early model, but the later ZE1 models operate exactly the same. The knob looks slightly different, but the actual operation is exactly the same. For a left-hand drive car, the whole procedure would be reversed. So where I'm saying pull towards me, you still pull towards you on a left-hand drive car, but of course the movement is to the left. So the first thing is to start the car up. Obviously press the brake pedal, power the car up. This one won't actually power fully up because it's on charge at the moment, but anyway, so to get drive, bring it across and pull it back. That then selects drive, you're away. If you want to select reverse, pull it across, push it forwards. That selects reverse. If you want to put it back into park, just press the P button on the top and you're done. And for neutral, pull across and hold it to one side for a few moments. That will then select neutral, so the car will roll in the car wash or wherever. Once you've finished, obviously back into park, although that's not important because when you switch the car off, it will automatically engage park. Hope this helps.